So today I'm working on the LED turn signals, and to access the LED or the turn signals themselves, you have to remove that screw and that screw. So you look at your fender, it's in here, tires there, screw there, and the screw there. And then that whole fender, you put your finger behind there and pull out, and the bulb is like in there somewhere, up in there. So let me pull some of this apart and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so I got the two screws out. Now I just kind of, right there, with your thumb, just kind of work it out like that. See, you can gain access. And the bulb is up in there, right there by that heat sink looking thing. It's like right above it, next to it. Alright. These are the lights that I bought on Amazon. I think they were, not sure, like right around 20 bucks. Sylvania super bright LED amber lens. I figure we give these a try. Okay, so here they are, both blinking. Notice how much crisper the bulbs are. Light is brighter, light is truer. I just can't stand filament bulbs. Looks good. I'll put a, I took a video a little bit ago after I changed the first bulb and I put the hazards on, comparing the hazard on the driver's side and the passenger side, one being LED, one being a filament bulb. So I'll put that in this video so you guys can see the difference, like a before and after kind of thing. Okay, well that's it, everything's working, so I guess I'm all done for out here today.